Viewers, I am here at John Muller village here in Ikotabasi, Akwa Ibom State. This village was actually named after the manager of the British Bank. It's called John Muller Village. Come along with me, I'm going to show you what the bank looks like.
The most notable remains of the British slave bank is its giant safe, which has survived centuries of attempts to break it open. Funds, mostly coins and cowries used in the slave business, were stored in this safe by the slave dealers. According to the resident of this village, a section of the slave once revolted and surprisingly overpowered the dealers. In the ensuing rumpus, a white employee of the bank was chased by the locals. He is said to have run to the bank and locked himself inside this safe. The safe has remained shut ever since. Efforts to open it using dynamite and other tools have not been successful.
And according to what I read, nobody has been able to break into that safe till date. The building of the British Bank was around this place, but it has been demolished now. The only structure we have here is what you're seeing here, and this is the safe. What you see here is the remnants of the bank. This is the safe of the British Bank. And according to what we heard from the locals here in John Muller village, they've done everything possible. You can see people have tried different ways to unlock or open this safe. Nobody has successfully done that. So I don't know. I wish I have a bulldozer to try and, break it and see what is inside. But it's obvious that there's something special inside. But till date, since the British left, since the colonial master left, nobody has been able to penetrate this safe. You can hear the sound. It's all metal. Just opposite me here is the Imo River. As you can see, that's the Imo River. And this is where the British had their bank during the colonial era. You see? As you can see, many people have tried to break into this safe. They tried their possible, but their possible was not good enough. You can see these were done by people trying to break into the safe, but the more they try to break, the more they come in contact with a solid metal inside. Even from the top, as you can see, all these places, you see these are the metals. These are metals in which they use in constructing this safe. This safe was actually inside the bank, the British Bank. They've demolished the bank, but this safe, nobody has been able to penetrate.
Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. This is our discovery for today. See you next time.